Honorable members, subject to correction, ayes 128. Noes 95. Abstention 0. The bill is passed. Let the lobbies be cleared. Lobbies be opened. Let the lobbies be opened. I shall now put the motion regarding consideration of the Mussalman Waqf Repeal Bill 2025 to vote. The question is that the Mussalman Waqf Repeal Bill 2025 as passed by Lok Sabha be taken into consideration. Those in favor will please say aye. Aye. Those against will please say no. No. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. We shall now take up clause by clause consideration of the bill. Clause 2 stands part of the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The clause number 2 is adopted. Clause 1, the enacting formula and the title stand part of the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Aye. Those against will please say no. No. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clause 1, the enacting formula and the title are adopted. Shri Kiran Rijuji to move that the bill be passed.
Sir, I move that the bill be passed.
Motion moved that the bill be passed. The question is that the bill be passed. Those in favor will please say aye. Aye. Those against will please say no. No. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The bill is passed. Statutory resolution, Shri Amit Shah, to move the following resolution, that this House approves the proclamation issued by the President on the 13th February 2025 under Article 356(1) of the Constitution in relation to the state of Manipur.
महोदय, मैं संकल्प प्रस्तुत करता हूं कि यह सभा राष्ट्रपति द्वारा संविधान के अनुच्छेद 356(1) के अधीन 13 फरवरी 2025 को मणिपुर राज्य के संबंध में जारी की गई उद्घोषणा का अनुमोदन करती है।
I now call upon the members whose names have been received for participation in the discussion. श्री मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे।
सर, मेरा एक विनती है कि समय अब 2:37 हो रहा है, तो ये अगर आप कल 11 बजे लिए तो हम बहुत कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं और ठीक ढंग से, तो इतना नहीं फेयर। देखिए, हम सुबह से दूसरे के जैसा जाकर सोकर ऐसा नहीं आते, यहीं बैठे हुए हैं, बार बार कहते हैं। तो मेरा कहना है, मेरा विनती है आपसे कि आप इसको कल 11 बजे लीजिए, हम स्टार्ट कीजिए, और सिर्फ 2 घंटे का है, इसीलिए उसमें पास हो जाएगा। नहीं तो आप 5 बज जाएंगे, ठीक नहीं होगा। इसीलिए मैं आपसे अपील करता हूं और होम मिनिस्टर भी इसको मानेंगे, क्योंकि हर चीज को अगर नहीं बोले, ठीक है, हमारा भी वक्त आएगा, उस वक्त हम भी नहीं बोलेंगे।
Shri Mallikarjun Kharge to initiate the debate. 17 minutes. Please take the floor.
फेल हो गया रिक्वेस्ट।
नहीं सर,
नहीं, यही हो गया ना।
it is under consideration.
What is the use of consideration? साहब, आप सरकार से इतना डर गए तो कैसा होगा? आप हमको प्रोटेक्शन करना चाहिए, प्रोटेक्शन।
Honorable members, this part of assertion will be deleted. क्यों? भारत का किसान और उसका बेटा किसी से नहीं डरता। किसी भी परिस्थिति में नहीं डरता।
फिर आप चलाइए व्हिप।
नहीं, ये निर्णय तो मैं पहले ले चुका हूं। You had the occasion to make a reference about it while the deputy chairperson was in the chair, and deputy chairperson has taken a stand. It was being reiterated. Please.
Sir, Chairman sir, for nearly 2 years, Manipur has been burning, and the government has totally failed in stopping the violence. वहाँ पर इतना वायलेंस हो रहा है और गवर्नमेंट फेल हो गई है वो वायलेंस को स्टॉप करने के लिए। और दूसरी चीज मैं आपसे बताना चाहता हूं कि वहां पर मोर देन 260 पीपल हैव बीन किल्ड। 260 लोग मारे गए। Over 60,000 people displaced, and thousands of homes, businesses, religious sites destroyed. Families have been torn apart, yet the BJP government watched in silence as the state descended into chaos. More than 4,700 homes have been burned, and over 13,000 structures, including schools, hospitals, and places